What's up YouTube, and thank you for watching the Soldier Barber Live. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my barber station, showing you everything that I have on here and what I use. Stay tuned. So the first thing that I want to go into is talking about my barber station that I actually have. This is a artist hands barber station or salon station. This is one of the ones you can find on Amazon. This is the one that I chose to set up and get. You can buy them on there. They don't come pre-assembled, so you do have to build this and put it all together yourself. But it does come with the little cabinet at the bottom piece. Does come with a mirror, and then the shelf on the side here. I did add some shelves on the top as well on the side, and then the little tray in the front. So there was ways that I went about maximizing space on this, because I don't have as much space as somebody would have if they had one of the toolboxes that you see a lot of barbers using now. So I did have to get creative when it came to that. One of those ways I did was just getting some organizers to where I would keep a lot of my tools and stuff that I use. So you'll see I have this organizer here that I keep a lot of that stuff in. As far as the shelves, I have an area here where I keep all my enhancements, an area here for the tools for my facials, and then up top you can see is just storage and shelving where I use all my hair products and everything that I use there. Have a couple storage drawers that I just keep stuff there, some more storage there, and more storage down underneath here. Underneath my station is my trash can, my bin where I throw my used hot towels, and then my hot towel warmer that's under there. The tray that I have on the front here is just where I temporarily store my clippers after I use them until I sanitize them and put them back on the station. As far as on each side of my station, I have a ring light. These are the newer 18-inch ring lights with the mounts on the wall. So I have one right there and one right there as well, angled, so you can have both of those angled on my chair where my client would be sitting. So it gives me equal lighting that I have there that works out good for me. And then over here on the side is where I keep all my capes and aprons and stuff like that. Most of them are being washed right now, so that's why you only see one up there that hasn't been used. Aside from that, I just have some mounts on here from things that I use. So let's jump into the main part of this video and let's talk about the clippers and tools that I use. So all my tools are sitting on the Gamma Plus magnetic mat. This is a new mat that just came out from Gamma Plus, and it's pretty neat. I really like it. It has different options for the way you can set it up, but one thing that I like the most is the fact that the Gamma magnetic guards, it's a bar that's here. You can take that off, use this guard, throw it back on there, and then it just locks all those magnetic guards in place. I have my setup on my barber station as all vertical. Some people like to have it laid out on the mat. If I did want that option, there is an option if I wanted to do that, to where I could have all my tools sitting on the magnetic strip in the back of there like that. But like I say, I chose to have all my tools sitting in docks, and I have all of them sitting vertical, so it's easy access for me to just grab them, use my tool. Once I get done with it, drop it back in the dock and get it back charging. So let's go through and talk about the tools that I use. The first one here on the left is the JRL 2020C. That's a clipper. I really enjoy that one. I've got the taper blade on there. One of my favorite clippers to use when I'm doing tapers or detail work. It's very quiet, so it works really good if I'm cutting kids as well. It's not too noisy. My next clipper is the Stylecraft Saber. A very quiet clipper as well, but it is powerful. I have the fusion blade on that, so that really helps me out if I'm doing detail work or just really trying to clean up a fade. I prefer to use that. The next one up is my Gamma Plus Boosted. I have a fade blade that's on there, and this thing is just a workhorse right there. If I'm doing any type of like skin fade, I like to use that blade that's on there. It gets really close, doesn't get hot. So if I'm just trying to knock out some bulk or anything like that, this is definitely the clipper that I go to. And the next clipper over is the Gamma Skin. So most people see this and they're wondering what that is. You don't see a lever on the side. The Gamma Skin is a dedicated cordless balding clipper, and I definitely have this in our arsenal, and this is a must-have for me because I prefer to do, when I'm doing my skin fades, I really don't like using my trimmers. My trimmers are dedicated trimmers for lining up, and if I want to bald out an area, that's what I use the Gamma Skin for. It's a dedicated balding clipper, and if I ever decided that I didn't like it and wanted to convert it to a regular clipper, I have the option of putting the lever and all that on it, and this Gamma Skin would pretty much turn into this Gamma Boosted. So let's move on. We'll go to my 3 trimmers that I have. The OG Babyliss Gold FX. That is by far, in my opinion, the best trimmer out there on the market. I rock with that. I would say the second best to that would be the Stylecraft Saber. With that, I have the precision blade on there, so it's the smaller precision blade, pretty much the same size as like the Andis Slimline Pro. I like this because it's for precision. It's in the areas that I really want to get to, that's precise. And if I'm doing beards or somebody got small vertical bars, this is why I have that blade that's on there. And then I have the JRL trimmer as well, but I've modified that with the Filthy Blends mod and put the Babyliss DLC 2.0 blade on there. That's a great transformation and addition that I did on there. I definitely rock with that. This is my trimmer that's not set as sharp, so for kids, or that's what I mainly use this one. This is my hitter, and then this is my precision. What else I have on my station, the shaver that I use, the foil shaver, is the Babyliss Gold FX 02. That's definitely the one I rock with. And then the sidekick to that is my Gamma Uno shaver. This works great. This is for precision. If you just need to get into small spaces, do detail work, that's definitely why I have that. Each one of my tools I have for a specific reason. I'm not really big on just grabbing tools, collecting stuff, having a bunch of unnecessary things. Every tool that I have, I feel has a purpose, and I use it for that purpose. Aside from that, I've got the Stylecraft Heat Stroke, which is a cordless beard heater or beard straightener. And then I got a nose trimmer that's here. And then my Babyliss Vibe FX. This is a massager that I have there. And then as far as my blow dryer, I have the Gamma Absolute Power blow dryer. Definitely gets the job done. I'm doing mainly men's hairstyles, so no need for me to have some crazy hair dryer that I don't need. Aside from that, this is where I have my black ice that I put my barber side in. I went with the gold one. Like you see, my whole theme for my whole barber station is all gold. If you can't tell that already, everything there is gold. And then my neck dusters here. I have 2 neck dusters because this is one that I use for if I'm putting on the clients, and then this neck duster here is for cleaning off tools. And over on my station organizer here is where I keep a lot of my different combs and accessories that I have there. I do have a bunch of different kind of combs. YS Park is the main comb that I use, and then just a couple other ones. I have 2 different color clipper over combs, one for lighter hair, one for darker hair, and then a pick, wave brush, a couple styling combs, a razor comb for detailing. As far as razor holders, I have the Tune 45 triple cartridge razor holder, definitely my favorite, the main one that I use. And this other one here is the Crispy Lines razor holder. Had to get it, got that black and gold, so definitely the reason why I went with that. As far as my shears go, I have 2 sets of shears, my regular cutting shears and my thinning shears. Both of these are from Sam Villa. I've had those were the first high quality shears that I bought. I definitely don't regret those. They're great shears, and it worked for me great the whole time that I had them. I also have a feather razor if I'm doing any type of detailing or trying to create any texture, take out any weight. That's what I use this for. Outside of that, you know, we got this is where I keep the dirty used brushes. And then for sponging, if you don't have this, I definitely recommend this. This is the Red Premium Twist King. Way better than using the other twist sponges. This is 10 times better. You can sanitize this, keep this clean, and this also doesn't deteriorate on you, but still gives you that nice curl pattern for your clients. And then over here on the side, you know, just where I dispose of all my old razor blades. And then I have my facial steamer here as well for if I'm doing any type of facials for my clients. So that's pretty much going to do it for this barber station tour. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like a video, drop a comment down below, and thank you guys for watching.